how to fix Spotify playing random songs. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix if Spotify has been playing random songs, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the issue over here is basically quite simple. Let's just say that you have the Spotify application or you're using on your browser, right? And then when you listen to a certain playlist, instead of playing them one after another in a serial manner, what it does is that it's going to play random songs from this playlist. So what do you do if you want to fix this problem? Well, if you want to fix this problem, all you have to do is, if you're on mobile in this case, you'll be able to see the shuffle icon next to this playlist, where you simply have to click the shuffle icon. But as you can see, I'm not being able to see in mine. And why is that? That's simply because I do not have premium. Yes, the only way you can listen songs in a proper order on Spotify is if you have premium. And in order to get premium, you can just click the explore premium option from the top right hand side of the screen, and then after that you can just click the get started option, view the plans and subscribe to the premium version. Other than that, there is no way you can listen them in a proper order. Spotify is going to play random songs for you of that. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.